Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rochelle from Rochelle.Handmade.Designs, and in this video we are going to do my year-long makes from 2021 as well as my December 2021 sewing makes. Now before we get started, go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, the first thing I want to say is Happy New Year and welcome to Flight 2022. Get on board because there's a lot going on in 2022. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into all of my makes from 2021, and stay tuned to the end because at the very end we will have December 2021 sewing makes and you wouldn't want to miss it. So let's go ahead and get right on into this video. Well, that's all of my makes from 2021. I hope you enjoyed. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. So I'll catch you in the next video. And as always, keep sewing.
Thank you.